Hello and welcome to this new tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to use connect boards and mirror columns with GetSign to create invoices, quotations, and other documents using information from another board. First, I will open up this item where you'll see that I already have the GetSign app installed. The first step is to upload a document template, which needs to be in a DOCX format. Once uploaded, it will open in a new tab inside the GetSign editor. Here, I will click on the Edit Template option to open the DOCX editor. Inside, you will see a new option called Connect Board. If you click on it, a prompt will tell you that to use this feature, you first need to connect a board. You can click the provided link to learn more about this, but I'll go ahead and show you how to set that up right now. I'll click on the plus icon to add a column and select the Connect Boards option. Next, I'll search for the specific board I want to connect, select it, and click Connect Boards. I will also create a mirror column. For this first mirror column, I will select the quantity and rename the column to quantity for easy understanding. Next, I will create a second mirror column to import another value from that connected board. I'll click Connect, select the board, choose the desired column, and rename it to Price to match the original value. Finally, I'll create a third mirror column for the cost. I'll click Connect, select the board, and link the formula column, as that contains our cost data. Then, I will rename this column to Cost. Now let's go back to GetSign. When we click on the Connect Board option, it opens the Configure Board Items menu. However, if we try to view these items, we'll see it's currently empty because we haven't actually linked any items on our board yet. So, let's go to our Connect Board column and link our items together. Once those are linked, we'll return to the GetSign tab and wait a couple of seconds. It will refresh, and the newly linked items will be pulled in automatically. Now you can see that all of our columns, quantity, price, and cost, are present, and we can view the table preview. We'll click Save, and you can see the table is now perfectly placed in the document. After that, we'll click on Save Template, then Save and Exit, and close the window. To automatically generate this document, expand the item view on your board again, go to your GetSign settings, and turn on the Generate option. Here, we need to select a status column and a specific value to trigger the document generation. We also need to select a file column to store the document and choose our file format. For this example, I'll select the PDF option. I have turned off signature collection for now, so I will just go ahead and save these settings. Now, when I trigger the document generation, you'll see the process start, and it will store the finished file directly inside our designated file column. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And there we go. The file has been generated. Let's click on it to open a preview. As you can see, the table is successfully placed inside the document. It was created seamlessly using data mirrored from another connected board. Give this a try, and if you come across any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.